Chris sneaks into the kitchen, tiptoeing toward the fridge. As soon as they open the door, the smart fridge lights up and speaks. Smart fridge. Oh, hello, Chris. Midnight snack time again, huh? Chris. Shh. Keep it down. I'm just looking for a healthy snack. Smart fridge. Right. Healthy. Because last night's leftover pizza wasn't healthy. Remember? Chris. Okay, fine. But this time it's just a banana. Chris grabs the banana and the fridge makes a disappointed sound. Smart fridge. Oh, sure. But are you going to eat it? Or just peel it and then decide cookies are better? Chris. I'll eat it.